SEO used to be slow and manual, but now with the right tools, you could do content planning, keyword research, competitor analysis, all within minutes. So here are 5 AI tools that can save you hours when it comes to SEO, and 3 of them are absolutely free. So number 1 on my list is something everybody's familiar with at this point. It's ChatGPT. They also have a free version available if you haven't tried it out yet. So what you can use ChatGPT for is figuring out a starting list of keywords. If you're trying to rank for stuff in landscaping, for instance, you can type in, give me a list of landscape keywords that we should be ranking for. The second AI tool is Ahrefs. This is a completely free program, again, where you can go in and you can scan your website. What it does is it shows you broken links, it shows you if you're missing meta tags or meta descriptions, and basically gives you a good technical foundation audit to make sure you're on the right page. So number 3 is Surfer SEO. In Surfer, you're going to paste your website and then you're going to tell it what keyword you're ranking for. Then Surfer goes through your entire site and it tells you what you can improve, like word counts, headings, descriptions, things like that. Number 4, Phrase. Phrase scans the top 20 sites that are ranking for whatever keyword you're trying to target. And it'll tell you what topics they're covering so that you can make content that's better and ranks higher. Finally, use Google's AI directly. What you're going to do is just type in a query. You're going to see what sources that Google is citing, because that's really your main competition now. AI isn't going to do SEO for you, but it can significantly speed things up and it can free you up to focus more on the strategy side and not get caught up in as much busy work. I would suggest starting with one tool, master that one, and then move on to the next.